We are in Villa Jatti and it's amazing to finally be living here in our own villa in Tampah Hills. But now we're going to go and check some of the constructions. So we have 4 finished villas that are open for rent and 10 villas under construction. And we're planning to start between 12 and 15 new villa constructions this year. So we are down at Villa Layang and it's designed by Caceres Toast, and we have started with the groundwork. So we have some footers and the first pillars being concreted, and we're doing totally 56 bore piles on this villa and they are ongoing. As you can see here, this is the position of the main villa, and then you have the roof is angled a little bit different to the angle of the entire villa, which is very nice. From here you have a very nice view over the ocean, the rice fields and the mountain. You have this little buffer forest here on the right, and you can look down to the restaurant area where we have started to do the groundwork. And yeah, you can shout your order to the restaurant from here. We are at Villa Tantiv, designed by Alexis, and we are doing the retaining wall in the back. There will be another level of retaining wall above here, and then we have the entire villa facing to the southwest, looking the rice paddies and then opening up to the ocean here. So we have the parking to the very left, and then you have stairs walking up to the villa. Under here you have utility rooms, and above will be the pool. And you have this really nice shaped roof above the pool, where part of the pool has an open ceiling, and that's really nice. We are now at Villa NN, designed by Alexis, and this villa has 2 accesses. This is the main access from the lower part. So you're coming in here, and then you have the parking at the end over there where you see the structure is being made. Up here you see we are doing the foundation for the lower outer part of the villa. And as you can already tell here, you have those really nice curved elements of this villa. We are standing at the upper part of Villa NN. There is the second access and the parking up here. We have stairs walking down, and here I'm walking into the kitchen. And here you're opening up to the mountains to the west and the rice fields. And out here will be the pool and infinity over the ocean. We're at Villa Bo, and as you can see, it starts taking shape. And as you might know, the villa is in 4 different terraces, just formed as the mountain is. And yeah, it's really looking good. We are now at Villa V, and we have installed 7 coconut trees on the east side of the villa because the morning sun is quite warm. So this shades the pool and the living and kitchen area really well and makes this view also really nice, framing the mountains here. We have installed the black ceilings in the second living room, and out here we can see the coconut trees are really framing the view to the east. And the ceilings are installed in the master bedroom here as well. And let's go downstairs and take a look. We are at one of the 2 bedrooms in the bottom, where both of them have the nice terracotta walls and floors, matching really well with the black ceilings. Walking into the bathroom, you have the toilet here, and this super nice terracotta on both the walls and the floors, and this semi-outdoor shower with the ocean and the sunrise every morning from here.